Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Lifestyle Gardener. Today I'm going to show you some updates that's going on in my garden and show you what I started to do. So stay tuned as I show it to you. So I just harvest some scarlet runner beans from the garden. I'm gonna cut a few open and see what they look like. This is the biggest one. I'll cut it open and see what it looks like. I never grew these before, so new to this. I think I'm just gonna grow them as a dry beans. Okay, the pods look like that inside. It's cute. The beans kind of look like this. I think I'm just gonna let the rest get bigger, and I might just let it turn to become a dry bean. This is my second cucamelon. I don't think they get any bigger than this. It tastes like cucumber, but mini version of cucumber. I just wanted to show you guys, I've been propagating the rosemary that I have in water now for I think a week. I'm doing that just in case if the ones that I do bring inside die, I'll have backup after backup. And you see they're having roots. All of them have roots. And I propagate, I pick some more rosemary vine, and I'm doing the same thing with the oregano, the thyme, and 2 more rosemary. So the secret to doing this, you have to remove most of the leaves. You have to remove most of the leaves, and then you put it in water and hope for the best and see if they will root. All of the rosemary vine that I put in the water last week root, except one. So I have 4 in here, and all 3 root except one. I'm doing that also with the eggplant. I removed a few of the branches, the stem actually, and I'm gonna put it in the water. I'm gonna put a plastic bag over it, and I remove most of the leaves. I'm doing that also with my goji berry. I remove the youngest vine, the youngest stem, and I cut it in 2, and I remove most of the leaves, and then I put it in the water. I did that with my mint plant last week. Okay, this one has not rooted. Not last week, this week actually. This one has not rooted, but these 2 has, and this one also. And this is my apple mint, it's also rooted. So by doing this, you're coming up with a backup plan to to have start for next year, or to be able to grow something indoors, because we get winter in Canada, so it's not going to be warm all year. I know most mint plant will survive the winter, but what I find, since I've been growing mint plant in containers, they die. In the ground they don't die, but in the containers they die. So my backup plan is to remove cuttings from it and root it, and to bring the container that I have with my mint rosemary. I also do this also with the pepper plant. This one, there's no stem at all on it. I want to see if it's going to root. So I did that with 3 of my pepper plants. So my goji berry, my eggplant, my bell pepper, and the other pepper plant, I'm going to put plastic bag over it to increase humidity, and hopefully that will root. So I'm going to show you guys some of the plants that's growing now in my garden bed. So here's my nasturtia. The flowers look so beautiful. The leaves are turning yellow. Some of the leaves, I don't know why. There's my strawberries. They're producing tiny strawberries, fruits. You have to remember, this is the first year I grow them, so the fruits are small so far. One of them ripen up. I'll eat that today. And these are the containers with my herbs that I'm growing. So all 3 of these containers, I want to take them inside. There's something that I bought to put in the soil that will eat whatever insect lay their eggs inside. I'm going to do that before taking them inside, and I will show you the product when I start to do that. And the mint plant is just growing beautiful. It's developing runner right there. So my bitter melon, it has, I think I count like 7 fruits on it. There's different kind of bitter melon. They come in different color and different shape. This one is white. This one is longer than my hand now. This is the first one. I think I'm gonna let this ripe and save the seed. And I have many ones also all over on the vine. So as you can see, there's a few fruits growing on my scarlet runner beans. And if you look deeper, the flowers of the okra plant is going to open soon. I think I counted 7 eggplant fruits. So see the baby fruits. You can see my hands. See my hands? They're still small, but they're growing slowly. So this is one of my bell pepper plants, and there's another one over there growing a few fruits. It's just now some of them starting to produce flowers, my sweet peppers. Every now and then I pollen the flower, hoping for a chance to get some fruits. I couldn't help myself. I keep eating the green tomatoes from my beefsteak, so they don't even have a chance to ripen up. but I see a few baby ones that is coming on right now. And good news, my cherry tomato is about 6 feet tall now, and they're starting to ripen up. I'm gonna pick this one. This is the ripest one right here. The goji berry. This is one of the vine. It's starting to form fruits. I actually didn't thought it was going to produce fruits this year, but it did. My poor little cucumber plant is struggling for whatever reason, but it's producing flowers. I think after this week I'm going to harvest the potatoes, see how much potatoes I get, because it's starting to look rough. I think it's almost time to harvest them. As you can see, my turmeric, they're growing beautifully. Remember the plant that I thought was bell pepper? They're not bell pepper. And how I found out that? Because what kind of bell pepper produce fruits that look like this? I planted different kind of pepper plants, and I thought this one was a bell pepper, but it's not. But whatever plant this is, it's growing really tall, and it's forming a weird shaped fruit that I never seen before. So looking forward to see what plant it is. I removed one of the cuttings from it, so to see if it's gonna root, and I'm gonna take this inside after I spray it down with natural pesticide, and I'm gonna put something in the soil to kill if there's any bugs inside that lay their eggs. We'll kill that. And my cucumber vine is growing beautifully. So that is the updates so far. If you guys don't have echinacea in your garden, grow it, because once it starts to flower, they constantly have flowers on it, and it's a very resilient plant. So everyone, I talk to you guys another day. Bye.